Little known ways to lose weight at home. Math plays a role in weight loss. You need to take in calories that you're going to be able to burn off so that you're able to start losing weight. Sure, that seems simple, but is anything ever that easy? Remain active to shed weight. There are many activities such as bike riding or walking. These will help you burn many more calories than sitting and watching TV. Increasing your activity is easy to do if you swap out some TV time. Do not stock tempting food around the house. If you choose not to buy those cinnamon buns, they won't be in the kitchen to call your name every time you make a meal. The second part of this strategy is to replace that sweet and salty food with healthy options. You might put a vegetable tray in the fridge or buy a box of whole grain crackers. A person trying to lose weight should travel using other means than automobile. Getting around by bicycling, walking, running or roller skating can really help to burn the calories. Calories are stored by the body as they build up. Burning calories through exercise helps prevent calorie storage. If you can manage to make exercise fun, you are sure to be much more successful in your journey to lose weight. Exercise is an important element of any weight loss plan, but it is often hard to stay motivated to do it regularly. Find things you enjoy, interactive video games, a walk in the park or playing a game with friends. One great way to lose weight is by drinking some small protein shakes when you feel hungry. You can mix up a small amount of the powder with ice, and this will curb hunger and provide you with extra self-confidence. Before and after photographs are an excellent way to visualize your weight loss progress. You can actually see the physical changes you have undergone rather than just relying on a scale. It could also be an easy way that you show your friends of how much you've progressed. Make sure to give yourself a variety of different foods to eat. When you consume the same foods all the time, you get bored and want to binge on snack foods. Eating a variety of different foods will help you maintain balance. There are products and pills available which promise fast weight loss and you should always avoid them. Even if it seems to work initially, you'll just regain the weight when you stop using the pills. It's good to visualize just how much extra weight you're carrying around. Do this by looking for a 5-pound weight at a gym. Pick the weight up and feel how much it actually is. This simple trick will significantly improve your motivation for dropping that weight because you know the strain it is putting on your body. When you go to a restaurant and you have the choice between soup and salad, opt for the soup if it is clear, but get the salad if the soup is thick like stew or full of cream. Eating these things will cut down on what you're eating before you get the main course. Avoid gaining excess weight at work. The majority of average jobs lead people to sitting at desks all day long. Instead of delegating certain chores to an office assistant, take it upon yourself to get up and physically take care of it. You will feel great and lose weight. Fat calories can make you gain more weight than protein calories. Some items can help with burning more calories than they've got too. The glycemic index is a tool that can really help foster weight loss and maintenance. Having a copy on hand is a good way to reference this information on the 2.